Hello and welcome. I wanted to give you a quick sneak peek of the next model that I'm working on. Again, 1:32 scale, and it's inspired by the Melroe M880, the largest skid steer ever made. Both have 8x8 drives and a dozer blade. But as you can see, I have designed mine with a statically determined or determinate suspension. So the front and rear tandems move like this, but in order for this to be statically determined, we also need to have this roll motion, which I have implemented in the rear. And I don't think there is any other skid steer that has such a drivetrain. I also added torque balanced tandems. So for optimal traction, we want to have all 8 wheels touching the ground with similar or identical ground pressure. So in theory, this statically determinate suspension, or it's not really a suspension because there are no springs, should do the trick, and the torque balanced tandems then prevent the drive torque from raising front of the tandem, much like an accelerating motorcycle would do, again allowing all wheels to contribute similarly to the tractive effort. So if we have friction in those joints of the parallelogram of the torque balanced tandems, that's not ideal. So I will have to revisit that a little bit, but so far so good. Thank you for watching. Until next time.